Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to tell some things I want to do in the future. Maybe I would like to be a chef because I like cooking. It's very exciting for me and maybe entertain myself. Can I cook some potato chips, some meat, rice, or maybe eggs? In the future, I want to travel so much because it's so exciting to meet other cultures, other food, meet other languages, other people, meet one of the touristic places. In the future, I want to be a healthy person because I like some fruits and some vegetables. I like apples, bananas, grapes. I like tomatoes, oranges, and other fruits. Not all vegetables I like. I like music because it's a it's a thing that I love so much. I am trying to learn piano now. I like so much piano because the piano makes so satisfaction sounds that I like so much.